Welcome back on this Monday morning. So we do have some sunnier days this week, and it will also be a warmer week for us. And as far as systems, we don't really have any big systems coming through, so our snow chances are on the relatively low side of things. So this is the jet stream explaining why our pattern is the way it is going to be. We have this big ridge basically across the northern plains and the western coast that's bringing in some milder Pacific air that will move into our region for a few days, all the way through basically Wednesday. Then this trough digs in on Friday. That brings in some colder air out of Canada in the wake of a small disturbance, and that means we do have lake effect snow that'll develop for Friday into this upcoming Saturday. It is short-lived. It's just for 2 days because quickly, once that trough moves out east, we have more of a zonal flow with a ridging pattern redeveloping on Sunday, extending to next week, the last week of February. And the Climate Prediction Center is expecting a high probability of above normal temperatures for most of the central parts of the country through the 28th of this month, and for the eastern half of the country as we start off the month of March through the 3rd there. As far as precipitation, they're also looking at chances to be a little bit above normal across the Great Lakes, a drier pattern towards the south. It's similar through the beginning of March. So a little bit more active towards the end of this month with a few more chances for some precipitation there. Right now this morning, though, starting off with mostly clear skies in downtown Marquette. Not a whole lot happening out there, kind of quiet. There is high pressure over into Canada. That's been allowing some cloud cover to clear out across the Great Lakes. Stalled frontal boundary to our south will eventually lift back up north as a warm front between today extending into tomorrow, and that will allow warmer air to move in. Right now this morning, we've seen just a few isolated snowflakes over into Alger County just off the shore there. So all in all, today will be a great day to get outside, enjoy some of that sunshine, maybe go for a walk into the woods. We did get fresh snow this past weekend, so a nice opportunity to get out and kind of enjoy that. Your hour by hour features some sunshine today and some light and variable winds. Some clouds kind of working back in tomorrow with more of a strong wind flow out of the south. Tomorrow becoming breezy with some mixture of sun and clouds, and more of that mix of sun and clouds into Wednesday. Temperatures today around 30 degrees in the north, with generally low to mid 30s across the southern UP. Lows tonight for the most part into the teens, coolest inland. And then tomorrow we start to notice that warm air develop. Highs in the lower 40s for the west end of the UP, upper 30s elsewhere to near 40 degrees. Here's a look at your extended forecast. Small chance for isolated drizzle on Wednesday afternoon across the eastern areas of the UP. And then Thursday, looking at a little bit more sunshine, colder air moves in, and temperatures on Friday morning as a front passes through will actually decrease throughout the day. The highs on Friday will occur Friday morning into the lower 20s, and then we see that drop off throughout the daytime hours as that lake effect snow develops and that colder air moves in out of Canada. We'll still have some lingering light snow showers early Saturday morning and more seasonal temperature ranges on Saturday as well. On Sunday, that's when we start to notice that warm air pick back on up again.